What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we are on eBay and I'm gonna teach you how to contact sellers, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome video. So basically let's jump straight to the topic. So how to contact seller on eBay. So as you can see, you can contact him directly. Simply log into your eBay account and go to the purchase history. It will show a contact seller link next to an item. If you're contacting a seller you're encouraging for the first time, note that some eBay sellers may not accept questions if you haven't been customer yet. So if you, like me, did not bought anything on eBay and you still want to contact seller, there is a way to do it. So how to do it? Well, basically find the product that you're interested in buying, but you need more infos. In the right side of the screen, as you can see, we can save the seller and contact seller. You just press contact seller, and you need to provide your contact info. And basically, after you've done it, just press continue and basically proceed to contact seller. So again, you can find contact seller link next to an item in your purchase history, or you can just simply find the contact seller option in the item that you want to buy by pressing contact seller, providing with your contact info, and you will be able to contact that specific seller. So overall guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.